Like example, what did I say? You will divide this. You will, remember I told you 6 and 8. So 20 is how much? What did I say? How much means you need to divide these two. 6 over 8. 6 over 8. 6 divided by 8. So you get 0.75. And this 0.75, you need to multiply with 20. Do you remember yesterday when I was explaining you, I told you that if you have such question, this you are going to divide and this you are going to multiply. Do you remember this concept or no? Girls, do you remember I said 6, like example, 6 boxes have 8 chocolates. So 20 chocolates means how many boxes? So this one you need to divide and here you need to multiply. That's what they are dividing by 8, you get 0.75. Then you multiply by 20, you get 15. This is what I explained you. Same thing if I do it here in this question. See how I do it? It's 10 and you have a question mark, 6 and 3. What did I say? You divide. You will divide, you will get, when you divide 3 and 6, when you divide 3 divided by 6, what do you get? 3 over 6, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, and then you multiply by 10. So you get 5. Girls, please write down what I write on the side so that you remember how to do it. You will do 3 over 6. I told you next to question mark, what you see is a numerator. And then you will multiply with this division and this multiplication. That is 1 over 2 times 10. And you get the answer as 5.
Miss, I didn't really get how you did it.
Okay, let me just show the same thing on the white screen. Tala? Tala? See here. What did I say you yesterday? If you see some box or question mark here, make this as a numerator. Divide them. Remember I told you divide them? Divide them. And this you will multiply. So this, when you divide, you get half. When you multiply with 10, you get 10 over 2, and that's nothing but 5. This is the answer. You divide this, you multiply this. Like Sitala here. What did I teach here? I said, this you will divide 6 over 8 and you will multiply 20. So what is 6 over 8? 2 times 3 and 2 times 4, you get 3 over 4. Multiply with 20. 3 times 20 is 60. You get 15. This is the answer. You will divide 6 and 8. See, when you divide 6 and 8, even if you don't get 0.75, it's okay. But when you divide 6 and 8, actually you get 0.75. And you need to multiply with 20. Don't worry, girls. 6, grade 7, we are doing again everything. So don't worry much. And I will try not to give this lesson in the quiz so that you don't lose your marks, okay? We'll repeat everything in grade 7. But still try to understand because it's a very, 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 very important concept. Did you all copy, girls? Can I go down?
Miss, I just joined.
You are late, so you will either take a screenshot or you'll go and watch my video later, okay?
Okay.
Yalla, girls.
But what page is
on
it?
your own, see, girls. Go to on your own. Now tell me, girls, here, what do you divide? Feroz? When you see such question, Dana? Lamar? Are you all there, girls?
Yeah.
What do you divide when you see such question? That means here it is a
So-
question mark. So you divide 8 over 40.
Over 40 and
You
45 times
whatever
8.
answer you get, you multiply with 45. So when I divide this 8 and 48 times 1 and 8 times 5, I get 1 over 5. That I multiply to 45. That is 45 over 9. My answer is 5. 1 second, my dear.
Miss, I don't understand. How do you multiply 1 over 5 times 45?
1 second, 1 second. 1 second, my dear. This is not 5. This is 9. This is... What you don't understand?
Oh no, Miss, I don't understand.
See, you will divide 8 divided by 40. First thing, girls, when you see such question and you see a question mark here, you write 8 in the numerator, 40 in the denominator. What do you get when you solve this? 8 times 1, 8 times 5. I wrote 1 over 5. And this you are going to multiply with this, 45. Whatever answer you got after division, you will multiply. So it is 45 divided by 5. That is 9. 45 over 5 equals 9. Now here, Dana or Lamar, what will you divide here? The question mark is up.
Yeah.
So what do you divide? You divide 42 and 14.
Yes.
When you divide 42 and 14, what do you get? Maybe 42 times 3, 14 times 3. Let us try.
Wait.
Yes, 14 times 3. So 14 times 1 and 14 times 3. You got 3. But this 3, you will multiply with 5. This you will divide and this you will multiply. You got 15. Maria?
Yes.
Here, Maria, this question, what I am going to divide?
8.
But you see a question mark here. So start with 56. When you divide this, what do you get?
7.
Very good. And this 7, what should I do? Now multiply with 2. So you get 14. Like this division, whatever answer I get, I will multiply with 2. Understood, Maria? Juri Siraj.
Yes.
Here it is a question mark. What should I divide?
I divide the 26 with the
Excellent.
13.
When I divide 26 and 13, I get 2, okay? Now this 2, what should I do to 4? Shall I divide
put
again
it-
or multiply?
Multiply.
Very good. This 2 I'll multiply 4. I get 8. Understood, Jury?
I think so.
Feroz? We are not drawing a bar model. We just need to know the value. Feroz. Feroz, is she there?
Can you?
Feroz? Yalla, Feroz.
Yes,
Tell me, what should I
When
divide
you
here?
told me before, the mic was
Okay, no problem, Feroz. Look here. Question number 7. What should I divide? Here it is a question mark. What should I do?
8.
First, you will divide 4 and 32. No. You will divide 32 divided by 4 because the question mark is there down. 32 divided by 4. Very good. I get 8. Then what should I do to the 8? You will multiply with?
Multiply by 9
I get 70.
equals
Very good.
72.
Very good.
I knew it like fast because
Lamar?
9 divided 72 equals 8.
Lamar, this question, Lamar. You divide
Yes.
9 and 3, you get 3. Then you multiply with 4, you get 12. Here, you divide 9 and 7.
9 and 7.
You multiply with 14. So 7 times 1, 7 times 2. My answer is 18. Question 10, it's decimal point. Please cross it out.
Okay.
So question number 9, we do 9 divided by 7. We divide, I mean, and then we put a 1 and another 1.
Yes.
And then we times it with 14. But how do you get 18?
My dear, see, usually dividing 9 and 7 is difficult for you. You can do that, but it's difficult for you, right? But you can just do simplification. 7 times 1, 7 times 2. So 9 times 2 is 18. But if you want to do it, you can go with the division. You can go like this. 7 times 1, 7. And you have 2, then point and 0. Sorry. 2, point and 0. 7 times 2, 14. And then you have 6 and 0 like that. You can go for like that. But better, girls, better this, you will get an answer very easily. Can I go to another lesson, girls? Are you all done with this? Now,
I didn't quite understand.
come on, Yallah. You have next lesson as equivalent ratios and graphs. Okay? You have equivalent ratios and graphs. Check it out. Girls, directly come to this page, girls, quickly. Directly come to this page, everyone.
Miss, what's the page number?
Page number 257. Page 257, please. Everyone, come to this page. See, what did they say you in the question? Please, everyone, I don't have time to ask you again that you understood or not. A redwood tree grew at a rate of 4 feet per year. What does this mean? Thala? What does this mean? 4 feet per year. It means 1 year. How much feet?
4 feet.
4. Did you understand till here, girls? Everyone?
Yes.
So one what do you call as 1 year is 4 feet. 1 year is so if it is a proportional, so 2 year is how many feet? If 1 year is 4 feet, 2 year means 4 times 2, 8, right? Girls, 1 is 4, 2 is all times 4, 3
Yes,
is
I understand.
12, 4 is 16, 5 is 20, yes?
Yeah.
Plus 4, you plus 4 always, right? If 1 is 4, 2 is 8, 3 is plus 4 again, 12. Either you plus 4 always. Are you getting it, girls, or no? Anyone
Yeah.
have question? Okay, now. Then I plot my graph. 1, you need to put your pen till 4. 2, go up till 8. 3, go up till 12. Because see, the time is on the x-axis and the y is height. 5 means 20, I go up. 4 is 16 here, and then you have a straight line. Now, if I ask you to make pair, you will make 4, 1, 8, 2, 12, 3, or the opposite, 3, 12, because they said time is at x. So you need to make x as 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 12, 4, 16, 5, 20. Is this clear? Very simple question, girls. If you don't understand, ask me now. I'm going to explain you again.
It's like not really. Can you say it again?
Tala. Tala, see.
Yes.
For 1 it is 4. For 2 it will be 8. For 3 it will be 12. Plus 4 plus 4
okay,
plus
so
4.
you just multiply 4 by every number.
Yes, or you can even, if you don't understand, you can even plus 4 always.
Okay.
And then you plot a graph. For 1 it is 4. For 2 it is 8. For 3 it is 12. Then you make pairs. You know how to make pairs. 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 12, 4, 16, and 5, 20.
Okay.
Get it, girls?
Yeah, we do.
Understood? Lamar? Dana?
Yes, understood.
Yes, miss.
Other girls? Tina, where were you yesterday? Are you there today with me?
Miss, do we have to write the graph, the lines and the colors thing?
You need to write 1, 2, 3, 4 till 8, and you need to write till up, at least till 24, right? At least till 24, and put these dots. Okay. For 1, it is 4. For 2, it is, because you need to plot a graph. Did you do it, girls?
I have a question on page 247. How do we I didn't understand how I solve question number 5.
My dear, doubts I can clear tomorrow because we just have very less time on Wednesdays.
Unless I mean 200 for
We will. Dana, make a pause.
47.
Tomorrow, because see, I just have 2 minutes. How will I explain you in 2 minutes? Tell me. Okay? Tomorrow, Dana.
Okay.
Yalla, girls. The graph.
This week I didn't write the things.
The graph shows the rate at which Lewis car uses in miles per gallon. If 1 is 30, 2 is what? If 1 is 30, 2 is 2 times 30. 3 is 3. You will just multiply the unit rate. 30. When you multiply all that, you get such numbers.
This the lesson ended. Bye. Can we leave?
Girls, wait, finish this at least. 1 minute.
Yes, I finished.
Where did you finish? Did you put this? Did you write this 30 and 1 and 150 miles? They ask you for 5 gallons. For 5 gallons, how much it is given here? 150. See here, for 5, how much? 150. Question 7, put a cross mark. Question 8, put a cross mark. Question 7, put a cross mark. Question 8, put a cross mark.
Yes,
And then you
Miss, I
can,
finished it all.
yes, you can leave it. You can leave.
Bye.
Bye.